Gentlemen, today we're talking about the greatest invention since Tiege Hanley, the hoodie, a men's style staple that every guy loves, most men own, but very few know how to properly rock. But today that changes because I'm going over 5 ways to properly rock a hoodie to look like a super sexy stylish ninja as opposed to your bus driver Barry. As you know, all hoodies were not created equal. Some hoodies kinda like, they're nice, they're comfortable, but the deal is there's a big difference between wearing a hoodie that's meh and wearing a hoodie that's amazing. This hoodie I'm wearing is meh. Why is it meh? Well, you can see it's big. A lot of guys wear hoodies that are oversized. Now, if you're going to a store and you're going to be looking for a hoodie that is not tailored, you need to make sure you're sizing down. If you're normally a large, try the medium. If you're normally a medium, try the small. Old Navy. Not that there's anything wrong with Old Navy or any store for that matter, but a hoodie is not as versatile if it does have some type of logo, some type of crazy pattern. In my opinion, what you should be looking for is a hoodie that is simple, it's clean, it's solid, the fit, but it's not just about fit. Also, the fabric. You need to understand that there are different levels of hoodie amazingness. This is a regular cotton hoodie, which is fine. It's not as versatile because you can't necessarily dress it up like you can a merino wool hoodie. On the fashion flip side, this hoodie is as close to a perfect versatile, sexy, fitted hoodie as you can possibly get. It is 100% merino wool. It's tailored. Notice that the body is not super big. The size I am wearing is a small. If you want one, you can grab one. In a minute, I'm going to show you how to dress this hoodie up. I'm going to show you how to dress it down and how it looks incredible with pretty much everything. And if you want to grab one, guys, there is a link down below to today's video sponsor, Massdrop. Massdrop is freaking awesome. It's a website, but really it's a community or a group of communities. And the way that it works is they create products based on the feedback and the input and what the communities actually want. You see, what you do, you go on, you sign up, there's a link down below, it's totally free, and then you basically pick which communities you're interested in. I'm a member of the apparel, everyday carry, I also like auto and watches, but they've got a lot of different communities. So in these communities, members are always like talking, giving feedback, and saying what they want. And if enough people want something, then Massdrop goes out, sources it, and has them created. Because they've got this community, they've got buying power. So they can go to these manufacturers, these vendors, and be like, yo, I got 500 people that are interested in buying your Allen Edmonds shoes. And they'll get you an incredible deal. But the downside, supplies are limited. And so when it drops, you gotta like bite like if you're interested. And this sweatshirt, gentlemen, it just dropped. It is, in my opinion, one of the greatest sweatshirts in the history of sweatshirts. It's 100% merino wool. It's made in America. Interesting side note, it's made in a factory in Allentown, Pennsylvania, which is like 30 minutes from where I grew up, so that makes it extra cool to me. Gentlemen, the drop is on. So if you're interested in grabbing this specific hoodie or checking it out, guys, there's a link down below to go and grab it. They've only got 580 units made, so supplies are limited. They've got 290 like with the thumb hole, which I thought was kind of cool, or you can get one without the thumb hole. But the bottom line is this: supplies are limited. These things are incredible. Grab it now while supplies last. Unfortunately, they're gonna sell out of these, but it doesn't mean that you shouldn't go and sign up for Massdrop and join a community and look around. Like, they've got some incredible deals of some items that they haven't sold through that I'm sure you're gonna love. Guys, link below, grab it while it's hot. Now, gentlemen, let me show you 5 ways to dress this up and down. Hoodie time. All right, guys, so this is like obviously like my favorite way to rock a hoodie. I got a great pair of simple retro fashion sneakers, my diesel jeans, and just a simple white t-shirt underneath. And the reason why the hoodie is so incredible, in my opinion, is because it works great as a top layer, but you can also work it as a middle layer. Bang! Quilted vest. The middle layer, the hoodie, is the perfect option to pair and layer with a great vest. Vests are incredible. They're super hot. With fall coming up, you definitely need to rock one. I got the same t-shirt on. I got the same jeans, but I changed up the shoes. I went with green Pumas. Denim jackets. What? And chinos. Yes, please. It's a great idea to use that hoodie, like I said, as a middle layer, and it works incredible with just a simple basic t-shirt and a denim jacket. A lot of guys are like, yo, what do I wear denim jackets with? Well, chinos are the perfect option. The combo, dynamite. You want to work out? Exactly. Me too. What? Hey there. See, the hoodie is also the perfect addition to your workout wear. And this kind of like takes it to a little bit nicer level. After the gym, you might want to go grab something to eat. There are definitely going to be some potential spicy senoritas, and you want to look your best. Or if you're a douche like me, you wear the hoodie, you go and you warm up, you get a little pump going, you're warm, things start, and then you take it off and you look a little more swole than just walking in off the street. Bad boy, what you gonna do when you show up looking this damn sexy? What? Dark gray jeans or black jeans, you got your Chelsea boots on, you got your zip up. What? Are you kidding me? See, that is the difference. Or you wanna take it to the next level. Did somebody say next level? Yes, exactly. Throw it underneath of that great leather jacket. Come on. Seriously? Like, it's not even fair to other dudes. You look so damn fine and sexy wearing your zip-up hoodie. Guys, here's the deal. I personally think that the zip-up hoodie is a lot more versatile than just the pullover hoodie with the pocket because you can wear it and pair it and layer it a lot better, and it doesn't look as out of place as if you were just wearing like a pullover hoodie. I think that looks a lot more casual. But hopefully you dug this video. If you do, give it a big thumbs up. What? I'm having way too much fun with this hoodie. See you tomorrow.